Let's see if this works. Peace. Wait, how do I do peace on here? All right, number 1. Okay, let's take a photo. Wait, how do I do it? Wait, no, I want to take a selfie here. This is me? I took a picture of Rock. Okay, never mind. Okay, let's take a picture of this. Oh, you are ugly. Ugly. Look at you. Bop. This is a good picture. Hold on, I'm gonna save this for later. Here, come here, buddy. Come here. Let me take a picture of that. Yeah. Ooh, I'm gonna save this for later too. All right. Okay. We're gonna give the elephant this picture. Hey, elephant, I got you a little picture.
Play anymore.
Here you go. Take that. Can I have my son back? Like, why have I still not got my son? Reversal. They were snapping. Reaction matters. Give the stolen model back. Make it look like a gift. Okay, I got you.